Hold it steady, my son. Feel the grain.
Patience, brother. The wood will yield to a steady hand. Let's try together.
Peace be upon you, Joseph. This old chair needs your touch.
You've made it stronger than new. Thank you, Jesus. And he grew in wisdom. The ancient prophecies now lived and breathed within him. He was understanding his mission.
And above all, he grew in favor with God. Every silent day was an act of prayer.
He grew in stature, a devoted son, a trusted carpenter, a kind neighbor.
My son, your wisdom shines brighter than any lamp. Your presence is a comfort.
People sought him, not just for mending, but for his quiet peace. He was teaching, not with words, but by his life. He lived a fully human life. He shared their joy at weddings. He understood their laughter, their worries.
Peace be with you, brother.
And with you, Jesus. A blessed day to you. My dear children, sharing brings joy to all. Can you find peace in sharing this toy? He also shared in their loss. He stood with the mourners, feeling their pain, comforting them simply by his presence.
I am ready, my son.
I know. Rest now.
When Joseph passed, he became head of the house. He assumed the sacred duty of caring for his mother, Mary.
He took over the workshop, his hands calloused by tools. He understood labor, crafting easy yokes for his people. On the Sabbath, he was in the synagogue. He listened to the word he came to fulfill.
He loved his people, every home. But he carried a secret burden. He watched the world. The sower, the lost coin, the wandering sheep, all became parables for the teachings to come.
He learned not just from scrolls, but from creation. The lilies, the birds, all revealed his Father's loving care.
And his mother, Mary, watched. She knew his heart was set on a purpose.
He saw them, like sheep without a shepherd. He saw the burden of their laws, the lack of love. 18 years of silent preparation. A king, hidden as a servant. He waited.
Then, a rumor from the south.
A prophet! A voice by the Jordan!
This was the sign, the voice he had been waiting for.
He put away his tools for the last time. Hands that made easy yokes would now take. The cry was no longer a rumor. It was the Father's call. The 18 years of silence were. Abba, Father, I am ready.
He looked at his mother. No words were needed. Her heart understood and ached.
Mother. At dawn, while Nazareth slept, he walked away. No fanfare. The king, leaving home like an unknown pilgrim. One last look. At 30 years of preparation, he turned. He walked, every step full of purpose, towards the river, towards destiny.